So let's sketch in a horse that would be quite small and actually in a field. So we'll do it with a oval shape. Again, notice these very free lines. We'll pop a larger one on the back, and then we'll do almost like a curved N shape, and that is made up of two ovals, and then we have another one here where the head would be. So it's made up of these basic oval shapes that then can be turned into a horse. How do we do this? We'll start at the head, we'll come down here, obviously putting a bit more shape in, put the nose in, there's the jaw, quite a powerful jaw on the horses. We'll get a little impression of ears. Now this whole thing in centimetres is no more than sort of 6 or 7 centimetres across, so quite a small object, but it's a great way to learn how to do them. So I'm doing this a little bit bigger than what I would maybe do across the mane there, across the back, and you get that curve that comes over down the neck here, straight into the legs. And the legs of course are quite muscular on the horses, aren't they? They get really quite muscular as they come up here. We'll make the belly. So I'm using these basic lines as a bit of a catalyst for the whole sketch. There's the back leg. Notice this one comes into the actual body. And then we have the tail, which we can sketch in darker. And then the back leg, which comes down here. And then of course you're missing that leg. No, see the pencil line still in place? Just have a little go at using these basic shapes to sketch it in, and put the mane on the back of course, and so on and so on. But that's basically how you would do a horse in your landscape.